not a Scouser. Definitely not a Scouse. So if you've got a Scouse accent and you'd like to share it with me, I've got this website, theaccentbank.com. It's linked in my bio, and you just go up there, you download a script. It takes like 3 minutes out of your life, and basically you record what's on the script and then you upload it to me. You send it to me via WeTransfer. The reason why I get you to read the script is so that everybody says the same thing, and then I can transcribe it and stick it on my website. But that gives me the opportunity, like, to listen to your accent and learn it. So if you'd like to share, sorry, I've got a peppermint in my mouth while I'm talking. It's not very good, is it? And it's broken. I'm just going to chew it. Yeah, so if you'd like to share your accent, go to theaccentbank.com. Actually, any person that's listening to this video, I'd love it if you could go share your accent with me, because I need to be learning different accents. So it gives me a bit of practice. Not a Scouse. Definitely not a Scouse.